Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel. So friend, we are going to talk about how can we reset internet setting in our Poco phone. Guys, you want to reset your internet setting in your Poco phone, so friend you can reset. And friends, now let's see how to reset internet setting in our Poco phone. Today I will show you in this video guys. So before starting video, friend, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon and like my video guys. So first of all guys, I will on my phone setting, and guys open your phone setting to reset your internet setting. Then guys you can see this type of setting in your Poco phone. So then you will have to click on guys your connection and sharing option guys. Tap on guys connection and sharing option guys, scroll it friends. You can see guys your reset setting as tap here. Just click on the reset setting and okay. Then guys your setting will reset. Internet setting, as you can see, network setting has been reset, and you can use guys your internet setting without any problem guys. So I hope friends you have understood how to reset internet setting. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching the video guys. We will meet a nice video guys with new topic. Before going, please go and like the video. Friends, do you have any doubt related to guys your internet setting problem? You can ask me in comment section. I will check. I will help you. Bye guys.